Good morning, everybody. I just bought used Volkswagen Passat variant 1 week ago. It is December 2019 model, the facelift. It's a diesel, 110 kilowatts, DSG. And I play with the car a little bit around. Didn't ride too much. And yesterday, what happened? Basically, the battery went flat. So basically, I couldn't even start the engine. Today I pick up the meter and I measured 11.8 volts only. And last night I ordered the battery charger, this one, the CTEC. And today I'm charging the car. So I couldn't find any kind of guide for this car, how to connect and how to charge the battery. So this is why I'm making this video. I'm not professional, so have that in mind, but I will just give you some information what I just found, what I found on the internet or what I read. Basically, these cars, not just a Volkswagen Passat, but probably more of these new cars, they have feature called intelligent charging in the car, and it's pretty stupid. And I guess this is from eco bullshit around us. Basically what's happening is that the battery in the car is charged only when we're not accelerating, when we are kind of braking, or when the engine is braking the car, which not happen very often, right? If you are under the power, right? So what I just find out is that on the negative side, or the minus side here's this connector, and this connector, it's measuring, and it's making all this intelligent charging, which means the battery is not really fully charged. And also with the DSG, with automatic gearbox, basically this gearbox is not braking by engine that often as a manual, right? So if you have manual, you are maybe okay, but if you don't, you have the problem because battery is not charged all the time. And what happens is that when you use car in the garage, maybe without engine, you play radio, you plug the VCDS, the battery runs out very quickly. And also what I learned from the history of this car is that this battery is not new. It's not from new. It was changed already in sometime in 2021. I hope this is not the problem with the car. I believe this is really just the problem with how the car is made and how you're driving and so on. And what I just found out is that the manufacture date of the battery can be read from this code. You can see H is made in Germany. We start with four position, which is 2021, and 73. It means 73. I think it means it was manufactured in May 2021. So this battery, it's not from the beginning. It's already been changed, and I believe it's again. I hope I don't have to change it because it's quite expensive. So now I'm trying to charge it, right? So let's see how it goes after a couple of hours. If I can charge the battery. If not, I will have to buy a new one, and then I will for sure disconnect this cable. And what will happen is that the battery will be charged as we know from old cars, you know. So it won't destroy the battery basically. And I didn't try it yet, but I think from the information, what will happen after the disconnection of this little cable, it will be charged. That's the positive thing. It will be charged normally, not just sometime when you are braking or when the engine is braking, but also it will be charged as we know from the past. But on the other side, and I need to check that, what happen is that when you start the engine, there will be some error message on the dashboard, but it will disappear. Hopefully it won't be there forever. Also, start stop system won't work, which is win, right? We don't want that, we don't like it. So maybe in the end it's the win. And if you don't mind some like error message on the dashboard, which shouldn't be there, what I read, it shouldn't be there for all the time. It should be there just when you start the engine. I'm fine with that, if that helps not to kill the battery, right? So basically here it is. Well, here we are. Here I am with charging my car now. What I wanted to mention, when you're charging car in the car, when you're charging battery car in the car, obviously positive side, the plus one, it goes directly to the battery, but the negative, it doesn't go directly to the battery. Yeah, it could make a mess. You need to put it to other part of the car, which is just over there. It's even in the guide for the car. If you are basically for jump start, but it's the same. If you want to jump start or charge the battery in the car, you need to connect the negative cable, minus side, to that bar of the car. Yeah. So never put it directly on the battery. Yeah, of course, if you remove the battery, you have to use the battery negative, but that is not the case. Yeah. So this is information how to do it, and I couldn't find really the video or some guidance on the internet really. I found it for a previous model, or maybe even older model. Some nice guy created a video where to charge it, but this point is not there, but it's somewhere on the side of the battery. So this is different. It's working, it's charging now. I choose the CTEC from the references, and basically I'm trying to charge it, obviously it's on the car, but also on the position recon, and that is the four very discharge batteries which I have 11.8 volts only. Yeah, when I measured the battery this morning. So let's see, after a couple of hours, hopefully battery will come alive again. And next time when I will playing around with the car, maybe doing some diagnostics and so on, I will put the battery on the charger, the car on the charger, so the battery won't go flat again. So hopefully this video helps somebody, with somebody who will try it, charge the battery. And yeah, if you have new car, or if you bought new car a couple of years ago and your battery is dead after 2 years, it's probably not problem with the battery by itself, but it's the problem how the battery is charged for this car. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and good luck with your batteries.